These are my succulents that I propagated last May 4th. Today, it is their 28 days. I will experiment to cut the healthy leaf, and we will see if they can thrive without the leaf. I use this small pruning shear to reach the most end of the leaf without moving the baby plant. Note, this is fast speed. Be gentle when you cut the leaves, to avoid cutting the baby plant. Cut it slowly and try not to disturb the babies, because they already have roots in the soil. After cutting all the leaves, I used a small tool to cover the exposed roots. Out of curiosity, I decided to move some of the baby succulents to give way to the succulents that I bought from the store. Let's see if they can thrive if I move them. Note, this is fast speed. Be gentle when you move them. I decided to cut the succulents that I planted. These were from the cuttings that Christina gave me. It was the best decision that I made, because when I look at it, the lower portion of the stems were rotten. Another experiment that I made was to separate the leaf from the baby succulent with my hand. But the negative thing with this method is that some of the roots are connected with the leaf. You should be very gentle and slow to do this. But even if you are slow, there are times that the roots will not go with the babies. With my curiosity, I still planted without the roots. Let us see if the baby succulent will survive. To be able to compare which separating method is the best, I separated the leaves from the baby succulent by hand in this planter. We will find out which baby succulents will survive. In this planter, I separated the baby succulents from the leaves with pruning shear. We will find out what will happen with this method. We will also find out if the baby succulents will survive when I move them. "4 days after I separated the baby succulents from their leaves, this is how they look like now. All of them are alive, including the baby succulent that doesn't have a root. So I therefore conclude that whatever method you will use to separate the baby succulent from the leaf, it will not matter, they will survive. They will also survive even without roots. I hope you learned from this video. Press subscribe and share to support my channel. Press the bell button to be notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you.